At Macquarie Bank, we have been on roughly 10 years of transformation journey. I've been part of that for last 5 years. And I would say we have got a very clear horizon for next 4 or 5 years in terms of what we need to do, and then it will probably continue beyond that as well. When I think about digital transformation, it's basically a manifestation of how good is the quality of your data and the pace at which you can handle that data. So that's what a digital transformation fundamentally is for me. And then again, when you think about it from a data perspective, it is very much related to the quality of your digital processes and how much digitization you're able to drive there. So one of the key learnings for me over the last 5-6 years has been you need to have a very tight alignment across your digital transformation strategy, your data strategy, and your technology modernization strategy. If those things are disjointed, you are most likely operating in a silo, or you're looking at data in a very non-strategic way. So that is something which was quite a big learning, and which is what we focused a lot on over the last 5-6 years, and I'll get into some of the details of that in a moment. The other part of it is, fundamentally, you can call digital transformation as a data transformation. Those are not different things massively, right? Digital is just the overarching terminology which we use for most of the transformations which are going around these days. So that's sort of the other thing. When we went on this journey, the key things sort of which we prioritized over the last 5 years was first about simplification, which is just not adding complexity to the landscape, and the complexity which was existing, how do you eliminate that complexity? So that has to do with multiple warehouses, which also align to our broader simplification strategy at the bank level, which was not having a legacy or redundant core systems. So how do we achieve that? Abhi is in the room, who was a big part of that journey, and we got to sort of from 8 different data warehouse platforms to one platform, and that drives a level of simplification. But at the same time, that was delivered on cloud, which was aligned to our technology modernization journey. We significantly simplified the data interfaces, the extracts, the dashboards, because a lot of these existed for a long period of time. And we're just adding unnecessary complexity. And that was, again, very much aligning to the digitization strategy, where a lot of the processes were existing, which were outside a standard digital workflow. And the third one is continuously uplifting your risk management processes in terms of just making sure that you're able to meet all the regulatory requirements, but you're not reactive about it. You are able to get proactively handle those, which goes into data governance, data risk, and a whole range of privacy and ethics aspect as well. And the thing which was running in parallel to this is, of course, your analytical and machine learning and AI capability, which is almost operating at a 2-speed, because a lot of this you could think of as multi-year foundational, challenging work, but you need to deliver the information and insight requirement for your business to operate at speed very, very quickly. So that sort of has been our journey, Matt.